my life, you've hurt me. You've broken my heart, and now you leave me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. Now I understand what you tried to say to me, how you suffered for your sanity, how you tried to set them free. They would not listen, they did not know how. I'm still listening now, for they could not love you, but still your love was true. And when no hope was left inside on that starry, starry night, you took your life as lovers often do. But I could have told you, Vincent, this world was never meant for one as beautiful as you. I would swim over the deepest ocean just to see her sweet smile again. But the sea is wide, and I cannot get over, nor have I the wings to fly. I wish I knew a friendly boatsman to ferry me back to my sweetheart's side.